We have seen so many ripple effects from the COVID pandemic, including with wildlife and nature. Right now, it is the time of year when we see baby animals roaming around, and with more people at home, reports of injured or orphaned animals are skyrocketing. Paula Tutman shows us how animal care facilities are being overwhelmed and what that means.
The Howell Nature Center may be currently closed to the public, but it is being overrun with visitors. As a regional wildlife rehab center and a hub for injured animals, this summer it has been inundated.
We're absolutely getting slammed. We already have over 350 more animals than we did this time last year.
The same goes for the Bird Center of Washtenaw County, which is near capacity with 125 injured birds.
Our collision intakes are about doubled because more people are seeing birds hit their windows, and a lot more babies are being seen in the yard.
Everything from common wildlife to endangered and threatened species.
We're encroaching upon their space. They're losing habitat to us as we urbanize. We're moving more and more into their territories, and they can't escape from us. So as we're living in closer proximity to them, we're encountering them more, and they're getting struck by vehicles or flying into windows.
And with all things COVID, the problem is public visitation is closed, so no money is coming in. Human interaction is minimized, so fewer volunteers and interns can participate in the care. And so both food and money are running low. Dana DeBenham, who just retired from the Howell Nature Center in January, has been willingly drafted to help heal animals for release.
It may mean bottle feeding throughout the day if they're really small. It's transitioning them onto more natural foods as they wean off the process. It's not bunny hugging and cuddling, ever, ever, ever.
First, we treat whatever injuries that they had that they came to us, or if they're babies, and we raise them. But then they go through a pretty extensive process of pre-release conditioning where they're outside, away from people, and we make sure they have all of the skills necessary in order to survive in the wild. And we got through this first wave, but that's just we're in the very beginning of baby season, and we expect to just continue to get in more animals.
Things are dwindling down, definitely, and with the amount that we took in at May, we don't get close to capacity numbers until July, and we're at close capacity in May.
You know, these rehabbers are doing a yeoman's duty with their limited resources. We've got a fantastic audience. We know people want to help. And so when you think about the Howell Nature Center or even the Bird Center of Washtenaw County, any rehab center, all you have to do is go to their social media platforms or their websites. They always have online wish lists, so you can order supplies they need and have them sent directly to them. And of course, Karen, a check always helps.
Glad you brought this to our attention. We appreciate it. Thank you, Paula. Still ahead.